to send large files in Gmail. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large files on Gmail. So as you probably know, Gmail has a 25 MB file size limit by default. If you try to attach a file larger than that, Gmail won't let you send it. But don't worry, there's a simple way to bypass this limit using Google Drive. So let's say I'm composing an email to myself and I want to attach a large file over 100 MB, but I can do that directly. Instead, click on the Google Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Now, go to Upload tab and choose Files from your computer. For example, I am uploading a file that is over 100 MB. Once the upload is complete, the file will be added to your email as a Drive link. Click Send, and you're done. The recipient will get a link to download or view the file from Drive. And that's it. That's how you send large files via Gmail without worrying about size limits. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.